Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to become a CapCut creator step by step so you can apply for the CapCut US Creator Program the right way and give yourself the best chance of getting approved. This is perfect if you want to create templates, grow your profile, and potentially earn opportunities as a CapCut template creator. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official CapCut partner page for the template creator application. The link you need is capcut.com/partners/template-creator-US. Once the page loads, look for the Apply Now button and click it. This will take you to the CapCut US Creator Program application form. Now you'll see the application page, and this is where you'll start entering your details. The first thing CapCut will usually ask for is your email address, so enter the email you want associated with your application. Make sure it's an email you check regularly, because if CapCut needs to contact you, that's where they'll likely reach you. Next, fill out the question about how you heard about the US Template Creator Program. Be honest and choose the option that best matches how you found it. Then you'll see a question asking whether you currently live in the US. Answer this carefully because this is an important part of the application and it helps determine whether you qualify for the US Creator Program. After that, you'll need to enter your CapCut ID. If you don't know where to find it, go into your CapCut profile and make sure you can see your CapCut My Profile page. CapCut will also ask you to upload a screenshot of that page showing your CapCut ID clearly. So before you submit anything, take a clean screenshot that includes your profile information and make sure the ID is visible and easy to read. Once that is done, the form will ask you to submit a link to one of your edits. This should be original work, so use one of your own edits rather than something copied from someone else. Choose a strong example that shows your editing style, your creativity, and the kind of content you make best. Right after that, CapCut will ask what type of edits you like to make, so answer this in a way that matches the content you actually create. Whether you do transitions, aesthetic edits, short-form content, or template-based videos, be specific and clear. Then you'll be asked to share your TikTok profile link. If you don't have one, you can mark NA, but if you do have a TikTok account, it's better to provide the correct link and make sure it has some content on it. CapCut may use this to review your presence as a creator, so always give the most accurate information possible. Next, you'll see a spot to share your Instagram profile. Again, if you don't have one, you can mark NA, but if you do have an Instagram profile, enter it correctly. You may also be asked what the best contact method is to reach you, so choose the method you check most often, whether that's email or another contact option listed in the form. Before submitting, go back and double check every field. Make sure your email is correct, your CapCut ID matches your profile, your screenshot is clear, your edit link works, and your social links are accurate. Small mistakes can slow down your application or make it harder for CapCut to review you properly. When everything looks good, click Submit. After that, CapCut will review your application and decide whether you're approved as a template creator. If you're accepted, you'll be one step closer to becoming part of the CapCut Creator Program and building templates for the platform. And that's it. That's how to become a CapCut creator and apply for the CapCut US Creator Program. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.